So by now we have defined the project and we have taken the measurements of the process, whatever current process we have. Now what you need to do is you need to analyze whatever data, whatever things you have collected in the measurement phase. So for that we have different analytical tools. We will be talking about those tools here in this section. We will be talking about lean tools and we will be talking about FMEA. FMEA is failure mode and effects analysis. In addition, we will be talking about root cause analysis as a broad concept, and what we will be doing here is in data analysis, we will be looking a little bit deeper into statistics here and understand the normal and the binomial distributions. There are more distributions, but you will learn as you go further into green belt and black belt, but as a basic probability distributions, we will be talking about normal and binomial distribution here. And then you will understand a very important concept of common and special causes. Whether the cause is a special cause or common cause, we will understand the concept of that here in this section. This understanding of common and special cause will put a foundation for your learning of the control charts, which we will be talking later in the control phase. But in this section, we will be talking about the common and the special causes. We will be talking about correlation and regression. In correlation and regression, we will see how one value affects the other value. For example, if I take a simple example of ice cream sale, a shop is selling ice cream, whether the sale of that depends on the temperature or not. That's one simple example of correlation and regression. So we will be understanding correlation and regression, that how changing one thing changes the another thing. If I change one variable, how does that affect the other variable? We will understand that in correlation and regression. And then we will be briefly touching upon the hypothesis testing. Once again, these concepts will be covered very briefly here, but you will have more understanding as we move further into green belt and black belt. So we are covering the very basic concepts of hypothesis testing in this yellow belt course.